Hey, this is Dominic Smith. I created Sickcall, so I designed and coded the whole app myself, and I set up the Node.js server myself, and it's actually connected to the main Sickcall patient app. And I decided I need a second app for the nurses to keep things simple. I originally had both the Sickcall and patient app together, but decided to split them up later on. And yeah, so to get nurses, I DM nurses on Instagram and found them with the ER nurse hashtag. I messaged over 100 nurses and eventually got 11 to sign up. So here we go. I'm gonna take you guys through the nurse onboarding. All right, so this is the dashboard. This is where nurses get assigned questions. And so just gonna get started. So here, I just ask for their name and then their qualifications and some basic info to verify their identity. And I take that info and then I go to their state's Board of Nursing site where they have an online verification check to make sure that they are a registered nurse. So I'm just gonna go through this real quick. All right, so that's good. And so then I receive that in the back end, and then like I said, I go to the bond site, Board of Nursing site, and then I verified that they are a nurse. So I'm just gonna verify myself really quick. And so this dashboard here is queuing the server in real time. So I should have added a thing where it updates when I'm verified, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna have to exit out really quick. So okay, you see I'm verified, and now I'm gonna complete my setup to start answering questions. So last thing is I ask for people's information so that they can get payouts, and I'm doing payouts using Stripe. All right, so all right, to test Stripe account. All right, test routing number. All right, and then this is sent to my server, and then in the server, I send then from the server, I send everything to Stripe, and then I get a reply. And all right, account updated. So now my funds will be deposited to the Stripe test account, bank account. So here's the payments. This is the dashboard. And so I can go online, I can go offline whenever. Here I can just wait for a question and I'll get notified when one occurs, so I don't have to stay on this app. But if I do, like I said, it's queuing, or it's listening to the server in real time. So if I do get a question, it'll pop up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and assign myself a question. All right, so this is if you watch the Sickcall patient app, this is the question that I asked. And so in order for the nurse to answer the question, they have to watch the video first. So I watched the video, and now I have, okay, how serious is this? So I can choose low, medium, or high. So I'll just choose medium. And then also, in order to answer, you also have to add a comment, so, okay, so why do you think that? And I'll just say because. And so, yeah, I can also edit the comment if I want. And then, yep, and then I can respond. And yeah, and then the payment shows up right there. And yep, that's about it. So, yeah, thank you.